You asked, how to divide 7,645 by 2 using the long division method. 7 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Bring down 6, making 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 minus 16 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Bring down 5, making 5. 5 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. The remainder is 1. The final result is 3,822 remainder 1.